Leave your regular school supplies at home, take your favorite snacks to school, and turn your brushes into pretzel sticks and your pencils into popcorn so that you have something to write with. Watch a new video with fresh ideas of creative school supplies. The girls keep admiring Miss Elizabeth. Their affection grows deeper every day. They can't believe it. The teacher enjoys crunching salted crackers and putting her feet on the table. Holy moly! Miss Elizabeth needs a pencil sharpener right now. Well, let's see. What do we have here? Glasses. Who needs a pink flamingo? A slingshot? This is way too much. There is a lot here, but it's not what I need. The girls sneak in a creative pencil sharpener into a package of crackers in order to impress the teacher. Shape light orange clay into 2 identical circles. Cut out crackers with a cookie cutter. Make holes like the ones on real crackers using a toothpick. Cover a pencil sharpener of the appropriate size with the light clay crackers. Let it harden. Dolly hurries up to treat the teacher with her favorite snack. Miss Elizabeth takes a big cracker out of the package. This is a pencil sharpener. The teacher sharpens her pencils and gives the handy cracker back to the girls. Miss Elizabeth opens a fitness bar. Redhead also has one. She wants to amaze the teacher, so she tears the package apart and takes an eraser instead of a bar. Wrap a big eraser in a printed fitness bar package. Hot glue the package. Trim the edges. The girls manage to surprise their teacher. She's got no bar like this. The class is in full swing. Students are concentrating on their work. What have they got there? Aha! Nuts! Miss Elizabeth asked the girls for a snack. Yeah, you're welcome. And all of a sudden, the girls remember it's not nuts in the can. Open a can of peanuts. Take them out. Break round yellow chalk into small pieces. Scrape off the excess using a knife, shaping the chalk into peanuts. Fill the can with the chalk. Dolly rushes to save the teacher. Oops! Undershot! Her epic fall distracts the teacher from the snack. And meanwhile, Dolly shows that you can write with these nuts on a school board. The girls are playing with markers and pencils. Let's play Shadow Fight. I've got lynx claws, and the teacher has something more interesting. Popcorn! Want some? You're welcome. I've got a full box. Draw lines on red cardboard to get a popcorn box pattern. Make vertical lines, 2 identical ones near the edges and one that is 2 times wider in between. Cut out triangles at the bottom. Leave one thin strip on one edge so that we can bend it later. Divide a piece of white cardboard into the same strips. Attach them onto the red cutout, making some gaps. Trim the top edge with craft scissors. Turn it over and fold it across the pencil lines with a ruler. Attach the edge. Cover the bottom with red cardboard. Make small cuts in a sponge. Put it on the bottom of the box. Shape cotton into popcorn. Mix orange paint and water and sprinkle it onto the cotton to make it look like popcorn. Cut out yellow and brown felt into pieces. Attach them to the popcorn for a more realistic look. Take a box of colored pencils and attach one piece of popcorn to each pencil. Stick the pencils into the holes in the sponge. Attach a popcorn label to the box. Cunning Miss Elizabeth puts a whole box of popcorn onto the girls' desk. Let the feast start. But the girls get colored pencils from the box instead of a snack. Surprise! Well, it's not what we have expected, but it's also nice. We will play popcorn monsters then.